Embroidery machines are essential for creating intricate designs on fabric. The best embroidery machines offer high speed, precision, and a wide range of features to bring your creative vision to life. With numerous options available, choosing the best one can be overwhelming. In this video we will discuss and review the best embroidery machine, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Singer Quantum Embroidery Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 is our top pick for the best embroidery machine around for several reasons. It boasts high speeds that manage up to 850 stitches per minute, while the automatic needle threader saves time, any mistakes, and relieves stress. To top it all off, it's portable, so you can get your embroidery done whenever, wherever, too. It's cheap, too, which makes it perfect for beginners who don't want to take too much of a risk on their first embroidery machine. Despite the price, though, it's still effective and reliable, with a plethora of stitch styles and 13 built-in buttonholes that make you feel you're using a much more expensive machine. Key features: portable design, high speed, automatic needle threader, 13 built-in one-step buttonholes, variety of stitches. Number 2. Brother SA600 Embroidery Machine. If you're looking for an affordable, quality dual-function sewing and embroidery machine, then the Brother SA600 is one to consider. At less than $500, this machine has everything that you need to get started with your embroidery projects. First and foremost, it comes preloaded with 80 designs, 6 embroidery fonts, and 103 stitches, which you can customize and arrange on the 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen. Or you can import your own designs via a USB port. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area, with an included 4x4 embroidery hoop, gives plenty of room for most projects. Embroider shirts, wipes, towels, quilts, and handbags with ease. The machine also includes 7 quick-change sewing feet, spring-action zigzag, buttonhole, overcasting, monogramming, zipper, blind stitch and button sewing. The large needle-to-arm workspace offers plenty of room to work with larger projects. And to keep your projects going without frustration, the machine includes an automatic threader. You'll be hard-pressed to find another machine with more features for less money. Pros: automatic needle threader, numerous design options, easy to use. Cons: maybe expensive. Number 3. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. An easy-to-use machine is essential for those who are just starting out, and the Brother PE800 fits the bill. The instruction manual is easy to follow, allowing crafters to get their project started within 30 minutes of setup. The Spruce's Deanna McCormick, who has no prior knowledge of stitching techniques or embroidery best practices, tested the Brother PE800 and raved about the machine's ability to help crafters. As I was working through the designs, the screen would show helpful tips or instructions that helped me understand the process and make the correct adjustments to my design, she wrote. The machine is a bit large, so you want to make sure you have the room to store it. But the machine's size provides a larger embroidery area so you can take on bigger projects. Pros: easy to follow instructions, built-in tutorials, full-color touchscreen. Cons: only embroidery. Number 4. Singer Legacy Embroidery Machine. Are you feeling rather keen indeed to invest in an automatic embroidery machine that will help you create stunning stitched patterns in far less time than you're capable of doing by hand, but you're also the kind of DIY enthusiast who has to be able to move and clear away their crafting and handiwork supplies between projects because you don't yet have the luxury of having a permanent sewing space set up in your home? Then we think this slightly less bulky and more portable automated embroidery machine offered by Singer might be one you'd find a bit more convenient to work with. Despite being smaller and more portable, this machine is still fully equipped with the same types of high-quality features as most of the other embroidery machines you've seen so far. It has adjustable tension, stitch length, and speed, as well as an automatic threader, all of which make it an awesome sewing machine in its own right, but its embroidery-specific features are really what set it apart. Pros: features 200 built-in embroideries, comes with 250 built-in stitches, Ability to customize color combinations. Cons. It's a bit pricey. Number 5. Brother SA 1900 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SA 1900 is a versatile dual-function sewing and embroidery machine that comes preloaded with 138 designs, 11 fonts, and 240 built-in stitches to choose from. In addition, you can upload your own designs through the included USB port to customize your embroidery project. The machine can be fully controlled through the 3.2-inch LCD display, where you can preview, combine and modify designs, operate the machine itself, and even view step-by-step tutorials and guides. This sewing and embroidery machine also features an automatic needle threader to save time and frustration, a 5-inch by 7-inch hoop area for large lettering and designs, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The SA 1900 also includes 8 different sewing feet to make sure you get the most out of all of the various included stitches. From one of the top brand names in sewing, the Brother SA 1900 sewing and embroidery machine is hard to beat at the price point. Pros. Accepts custom designs. Automatic needle threader. Large hoop area. Cons. Some users report needles break easily. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos.